Okay, so now for the second part, we're going to do the two kits. First up is a designer's choice. It's always a set of dies, just the dies. Does come in a nice page where you can put it in your book. You can buy one of the special designer choice blue zip case color ones. I haven't got one yet, but I plan to. And so this is what this is a, I think it's A5 size. It doesn't look quite as big as my A4. Let's see here. It's 8.5 by 11 for comparison, so probably about an A5. I know this comes out to be just shy of 4 by 6. I think 6 was about there. It has the sentiments, thank you, with love, and for you. And then it's got a pretty butterfly and a gorgeous corner. And that's the parts to it, along with the butterfly here in the middle. And then these pieces each have, if I'm not mistaken, they each have the border square that separates so that you can have it inlaid. Basically, they call them Versa dies within the Tonic world. And so that's pretty much this. I was thinking about making it all one card like that, or you can divide the pieces up. But very nice on that. I have one other designer's choice that I've had. I love it, and I'm getting another one. So anytime they do a layering, very interested in those. Okay, so on to craft kit number 30. It does come in a pretty box like this. Pretty good sized. It's definitely bigger than A4. This is, I don't know what they call this size, but anyway, big enough to hold your pieces from that. You can see there it says welcome to craft kit number 30. This one was subtitled Spring Sentiments, and a list of what all it comes with. Sometimes there's a choice with the glitters or the stones and things, so here we go though. So you see that. And then I know online you can get inspiration. They give a link there, but also on YouTube, a lot of times you can get that. When you are a subscriber to their monthly craft kits, you do get a code that you can use for a discount any other time that you order. So I do utilize that. If you want to skip a month, you can do that. You just have to let them know. Or you can do this a la carte. You just pay just a little bit more per kit. This one happened to come with the bottle of the glue. Their glue is fantastic. I just wish it came in a bottle about 12 times that size. So they have really good glue. I like it better than their other glue. Their other, which is a EVA glue, I believe, is this craft tacky glue. It's okay. I just like the other one better. Their deluxe adhesive. Okay, now let's get rid of all the weird looking little peanuts here. And we'll see what else this kit comes with. I said each of the kits have some slight variations in like what color markers you might get if it comes with markers such as this kit. I'm hoping the colors it comes with are not markers I already have, because I have several of their markers, so we shall see. Okay, first up, let's go through the Nuvo items. This is some of the crackling mousse. I have not tried any yet. This would be my second tub of it. This one is in like a pretty, there it goes in focus. It's kind of a pearlized cream. They are calling it, let's see, it was on the page with the stuff. Let's see here. Oops. The crackling cream, they called it Ivory Coast. Then a bottle of their crystal drops in buttermilk, and I actually have this in a big tube. Cute to have the little ones though for samples, so that's nice. Oh, fantastic. I got gemstones instead of glitter, so I am a happy girl. This is water droplets. It is in like a light blue. Can't wait to use that. I was lucky enough to get some of the gemstones in a reddish. I would have loved the amethyst. They just no longer have it. Let's see here. Then this looks like an aqua marker. They're calling this clear water, but it does look like it has a bluish tint to it. Then there is their regular markers, which I think they've gone to a different style on them, but their markers are pretty good. This is the Honey Amber, so I don't think I have that color, hopefully. And this happened to come with a trio, so that's nice, and these do blend together. These are alcohol markers. There is a fine nib and a broad tip there that you can see from the picture. We'll come back to the best part of the, ooh, and this one came with the notebook. Excellent, because mine was getting full. Some of the kits, about 1 every 4 or 5, come with this little notebook, and that allows you to keep your kits in there. Even though it's not zipper, it is a way to keep your craft kits, so very nice. Great. Then it comes with, let's see here, we'll go ahead and do the dies and the stamps now. Like I said, you see here, this is craft kit number 30. Each of the kits does start out with, you get a sticker, which I use their sticker and put it on the outside. If you choose not to, you don't have to. You can certainly keep that and use it for something else. Most of them do have an advertisement. Of course, this advertisement's old because this kit's from last year. But we can look at the stamps first. And I love that this one came with sentiments versus pictures. I don't know, for me, I feel like I can never have too many sentiments. And this is little one there, especially with love for you. Let's, and birthday and anniversary and just to say. And I'm not sure if that's a you or it or what that's supposed to be up there, but okay. And then some little flowers. And then this one looks like it has, let's pull out the dies and take a look at them. So here you see we have the sentiments, and it's nice because theirs also comes with the backing for them so that you can have your background color paper and then your words on top. So this one has best wishes and maybe for you on there, along with some of the shapes. And then it has a second page, and this looks like happy, and then hello, and then up here we have some flowers. And then there's that one. And this flower die here goes with the, if you look here, you'll see that the word fits inside there. And whereas this one fits there. And then here you see for the hello, that framing. So there is a pretty much a die for outline for most things. The flower doesn't, but it has it cuts itself out, so that's good. So that is the dies. So then the only thing left is the paper. And there's always a really nice, I wish you got more than one sheet, but they always have a cool variety to their paper. You always get at least one sheet of their specialty handmade paper. I love this stuff, and it looks like you get 2 with this one. This is in a cream ivory, almost a pebbled look. Then it looks like this one's done in some dots. Maybe little lines between them, but mainly just dots. Kind of tufted, I guess I would say. And let's see here. Not sure what to make of this one. Ooh, this is metallic but textured blue. And a lot of these, I don't know when this being last year's kit, but I believe so. A lot of them you can still get the papers. You just buy a pack, and if it's a specialty paper like this, it's 5. And if it's their classic, it's 10 pieces to a pack. So this one's got, it's a very much a cream ivory with roses on it. This is their classic cardstock, and what I do like is even though it's their classic, it has a waffle weave on one side and a smooth on the other, and that's a pretty medium blue. Then we have ivory of the same. And then this is kind of, I don't know, buttercup or yellowish with a little bit of an orange tint to it. Very nice on that one. and then a regular ivory. So I really like this kit. There were some others at the time. Some of them may still be available. If they have extra kits from the past, they do make those available on the site. You just go and look underneath that particular type of kit you're interested in. This was one of the Tonic Craft Kit number 30, and I appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to join me next time. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Have a nice day.